All right, so once I got this thing on, I'm gonna clip this back. I got a side cutter here. And then what I want to do is I want to make sure that's about 1/8 of an inch between this this steel piece right here that's on the shaft and the sensor. And that 1/8 of an inch is about the size, the distance of a quarter thickness. So that way we know we're going to get a positive reading. And when we see a positive reading, there's going to be an LED on this back side that will show that. So that's how you can troubleshoot it, you know, without having to rip everything off, do a continuity test, all that other crap, right? So again, basically we wrap this up around the shaft. We're just detecting when this little piece right here gets close to the prox sensor, and then that's what is used in AutoLog to determine that you've actually got a load that's getting sent out. So basically, get this thing within, you know, that 1/8 of an inch window, and then get some crescents, and then tighten her down, and then you should be good to go.
All right, so this is just a proximity sensor cable, just an extension going from the sensor that allows us to reach up into the cab. So we're just going to route this where we have enough length to come into the back corner of the cab with the other wires that are already present. Make sure we have enough tail on the cable to actually reach the harness coming out of the